Hello everyone and welcome back to NotesNaka. In today's video, we're going to talk about what are some ways that you can earn money online. So this is a very vast topic to talk about, and before starting the video, a small disclaimer: I am no expert in this field and I have not earned thousands of dollars from doing anything online. So if you are a type of person that needs some type of proof to keep watching, then I think you should exit out of the video right now. And those who want to continue, why I am making this video is I have tried a lot of ways to earn money online and I have failed at 90% of them. So that's what I want to share with you guys. The failures that I got while I was trying to earn money online is what can help you to succeed over here. And if you believe in this theory, then keep watching. So the first thing that we're going to do is search it on Google and see what are the top suggestions that our Google gives us. So you can see freelancing, start your own website, affiliate marketing, and all of this. You can open it up and see as well. And you can go ahead and check it out from the description below. So you can see all of this. Now what I wanted to do in this video is eliminate all the always talked topics like YouTube, blogging. These are two topics that every video has in its video. I mean, what is the point? Everyone knows that you can earn from YouTube and from blogging, so there is no point in talking about that. Apart from that, the first thing that I want to show you is freelancing. This is also a very talked topic and many of us might already know. But what I want to tell you over here is before starting to freelance, first build up your skill set. Build up a product that you can sell in the market. Build yourself in a way that you can sell yourself in the market, and so that you really have the talent and people can really trust your talent. If you do not know how to do something properly, then please do not waste your time in freelancing. Instead of that, first start working on your talent, and then maybe one day you can sell your talent and earn money from freelancing. So that is what I wanted to tell from here. But if you really know how to do something, if you really know that you can really sell your product, you can really sell your talent, then you should give this a try, because this is an awesome way to earn money online. After that, another website is Check Tutors. Now about this, I failed in this. I tried doing this, but this is not something that I would like to do because it's very hectic. So what happens in this website is you sign up as a tutor. First of all, they'll take your test. You have to pass it. They will ask you which domain you want to teach in, which is your expertise and all. And then you can sign up and then give the test. And if you pass, then you can become a tutor. And basically you will have to solve students' problems, and then according to your quality of answers, according to the way you solve people's problem, you'll get your pay, and they say that you get paid each week. So you have to build your reputation. You can tutor from anywhere. They'll give you students and then you solve their problems and get paid. Well, that seems very easy, and I thought the same. But when I started, I didn't pass the test first of all, because as soon as they gave me the test, I was like, I don't want to do this. So I didn't really continue with this, but people do it and they do succeed. They do find it interesting. And if you are a kind of person who finds jobs like these interesting, if you like solving problems, if you like solving others' problems, then give this a try. This is an awesome platform where you can really earn money. And there is no like they won't pay you or you'll get cheated or something like this. You will really get paid if you do it. And there are many videos on YouTube where they show you proof and who have done it and have made videos on it. So you can go ahead and check those out too if you really want to do this. After that, welcome to NotesNaka. So this is our website, and what I want to show from this is you can build your own website and start earning money. Well, how do websites earn money? They earn money by AdSense, and there are many other steps too. As of now, we are not earning money from this website because our AdSense is not approved yet, because there are many policies that have to be met to get an AdSense account, and we are fairly new over here, so we don't really meet those policies. And if you are interested in creating a website and becoming a blogger, or you want to sell a product or market anything, or if you just want to build your presence online, if you want to make a portfolio which you can show to people and tell them that you have this talent or anything like that. If you want to do any of those and build your own website, then I will be more than happy to tell you how you can start and how to really build a website from scratch. And if you want a video on that, then all you have to do is leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to reply to you and also start a series on web development. Keeping that aside, the next thing that you can do is typing jobs. Now there are many videos on YouTube that tell you how you can really get typing jobs and how you can really earn money by them. And there may be authenticated, foolproof websites which you really do pay and all, but 90% of them are scam and you should know about it. So what happens here is there are many websites which will tell you that if you give them money like 100 rupees or something like that to sign up, they will give you job, and then you can start earning money as like doing it for an hour or so and all like that. So the thing over here is they will take your money, those $100, they'll 100 rupees. They'll tell you to transfer it through PayPal or Paytm or PhonePe or anything, and then their website will shut down. You won't get any job, you won't really get anything, and your money is gone. So be aware of that. Try to find out what is real and what is not. Who is playing with your money, who is playing with your time, and who are not. Another thing that I would like to tell you is that you won't really learn anything from typing jobs, so I don't get the point why you should be doing it. So this is out of our way. And the next thing that I want to tell you is social media influencer. Now when I wrote this, the first thing that popped up was how to become a paid influencer on Instagram in 2020, Udemy course. Now by seeing this, we can estimate how big of a profession this has become, and you can really become an influencer on Instagram and earn money like for full time. You don't really have to do any job. There are many people doing it, they're extremely successful, and you can also do it if you really are interested in this field. Now the thing is, how can you become an influencer? How can you really become an influencer on Instagram? So there are many ways. Like first of all, you have to build a following. For building a following, it will take time. Nothing on online is one night thing. You won't really earn money after a night by doing anything online. So you have to be patient, you have to build a following, you have to build your presence online, you have to show that you are worth it. You are worth what you are doing, and then gain the trust of people, gain the trust of sponsors, gain the trust from companies, and then they will give you sponsorship. They will give you money to promote a product of theirs, and that's a really cool way to start earning money as well, especially if you are a student and especially if you are in first year. Then you have 4 years of college and you can become an influencer and start earning money like that too. And you don't really have to show your face and all you don't have to become that type of influencer. You can also become a programming influencer or something like a marketing influencer or anything you like. Just open your mind up, bring up your creativity, and there are so many options out in the world. You just need to explore what is right for you. So this is also a way you can go ahead and research about it, social media influencer. After that, we have Unacademy Educator. So you can become an educator on Unacademy, and they have a full series of videos over here which you can watch and learn how to apply, how to get approved, and how you can become an educator. But the problem over here is it takes a lot of time to gain reputation. You have to be really good at what you teach. You have to be a really good tutor, and then only you'll get your reputation, and then only Unacademy will start giving your suggestion. And this is gonna take a lot of time. But if you believe that you can do it, if you believe you are a good tutor, if you believe that you can really make an impact over here, then this is a very good platform where you can become an educator. But it is really difficult. So think enough before you start investing your time anywhere. And the last option that I want to tell you is affiliate. Now, affiliate marketing is a very new subject nowadays, and you can really earn money by affiliate marketing. So all you have to do is first join and then advertise their products with your link, and if someone buys anything from your link, then you will get a commission. By Amazon, there are many other websites which also provide an affiliate program, but Amazon is the most famous and the most easiest to get started with. So that's what I recommend. After that, if someone really buys a product by your link, then you'll earn some commission from Amazon. So this is also a good way to start earning money if you are good at marketing, if you know how to sell products, if you know how you can really get customers to buy things from your link, then this is a very good way to get started. And if you really want to know in depth about this, if you want me to show how you can get started, how to create account, how to really sell products, how to market it, how you can do it online, then leave a comment down below and I'd love to make a video on it, because I have done this and I have earned some amount from this and I can tell you what worked for me. So if you'd like to see a video on that, then leave a comment down in the comment section. And these are all the options that I had for you today, but there are many more options that I can talk about, and there are endless opportunities in this world, and you can obviously go ahead, research it. You have Google, a big platform, like it gives you so many suggestions. So go ahead and research about it. There, I can guarantee that you can really find something that can work for you and you can start making money online. If you like this video, then tap on that like button and change it into blue. If you like what we do on this channel, then subscribe to our channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, then leave a comment. With all this said, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.